Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.
Yeah, hey girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it. Plus me and your affection, we were craving it. There's a bunch of things I wanted to let you know, but it's best to leave the memories and let it go. Sometimes I still think of you. It's not that I miss you, but I do wanna kiss you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not asking for you back. In fact, I'm doing quite good. How about you? The good and the bad of all the shit we've been through. And this is for the best, you probably also know it too. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.
Yo, so I heard you got a new guy now. Is he cool? Is he handsome? Is he alright now? Does he love you like the way I do? Does he make you laugh and make you smile the way I do? Remember all those nights that we were staying up? You would lose me halfway through the night when I was acting tough. So here I hope with all my heart that he can be up by your side when you are needing love. Me, I found someone new. I'm quite happy now and you should be too. We're still young, we're barely 22. Just leave the past be and keep pushing through. Stay behind the line that we both drew. Whatever you choose, I'll be happy for you. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. I put my past behind, put my pride aside, baby. Lately I want more of you. Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.